Hello, fellow Silimanians. It's a great day to explore Atla database, a tool in the field of religion and theology available to our students, scholars, researchers, and faculty. Atla stands for American Theological Library Association, collectors and connectors of trusted tools for scholarly study. Our library subscribes to Atla Serials Plus, the go-to full-text collection of journals in diverse areas of religion and theology. How to use these research tools? To avail the username and password, please ask your librarian. Now that you are ready with your username and password, go to our website. You are in our Silliman University library system and click Atla. The EBSCO support site will appear, asking you to type your username and password. Afterwards, you will be brought to the search box. Now, you can type a keyword. For example, your keyword is Christian response to pandemic. A list of all related topics appears on your screen. Scroll up and down until you are able to find a topic which you think is the most related article to your research. Click the PDF full text and wow! You have now one material for your research. It's simple and easy, right? Enjoy finding more resources and produce a good paperwork or school report.